Bollywood actor Sonu Sood has been mired in a controversy since winning over the nation for his philanthropic deeds during the COVID-19 pandemic. The actor found himself in the eye of another storm when the income tax department swooped down on him and his business associates, alleging tax evasion to the tune of rupees 20 crore. When asked if there was any truth to the allegations, the actor rubbished it by saying that he is a law-abiding citizen, while stating that he cannot reveal much about the same as it is currently under investigation. He did mention that he complied with all the questions put forth by the officials and even gave them required papers. In a conversation with the news portal, he said, "Whatever the officials needed, we have given them all. And in future too, whatever documents they need, I will provide. I totally respect the system of our country. I am a law-abiding citizen and I will make sure anything that is required from me is provided even in the middle of the night." The actor also made headlines on Monday when he issued a statement on his official social media handle that read as, "You don't always have to tell your side of the story. Time will." News broke over the weekend that the IT department pointed the needle of suspicion at alleged tax evasion of around rupees 20 crore by him and other questionable deals with his business partners, pegged at rupees 240 crore. The department's list of questionable actions on the part of the actor mentioned utilized funds in the Sood Charity Foundation, fake contracts and circular transactions with his business partners, companies, diversion of funds through bogus accommodation entries to evade taxes, and rerouting them back for making financial investments or buying property. Meanwhile, Sonu Sood has revealed that post-COVID, he had received an offer to join Rajya Sabha seat twice. However, he declined the same as he is not interested in joining politics.
मैं सबके लिए ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हूँ. आप मुझे राजस्थान में बुलाएंगे तो भी मैं ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बन जाऊँगा, गुजरात बुलाएंगे तो भी बन जाऊँगा, पंजाब बुलाएंगे तो भी. मेरा कोई कलर नहीं है. आई जस्ट वांट टू हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स. मैं बहुत साल पहले से भी लगा हूँ बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए, अभी भी लगा हूँ. हम सिर्फ दिल्ली में नहीं बच्चों को पढ़ाते, हम देश भर में बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं. आप कहीं से भी बुलाएंगे, कोई भी सरकार मुझे बुलाएगी हेल्प करने के लिए बच्चों की, सो आई एम देयर फॉर देम और मैं आई मेक श्योर कि वहाँ पहुँचूँगा. नॉट इवन ए सिंगल पेनी, 1 रुपया भी मेरे अकाउंट में नहीं आया. कोई ले भी नहीं सकता. अगर आप किसी और की हेल्प करते हैं तो आपके पास नहीं आ सकता. उन जितने प्लेटफॉर्म्स रहते हैं वहाँ से सीधा गरीबों के पास ही जाता है. एक नहीं 1500 से 2000 प्लेटफॉर्म से ऐसे मिला. इम्पैक्ट गुरु, हर जो हमारा रेज हुआ है फंड वो हिंदुस्तान भी नहीं आया, वो भी अमेरिका में. अगर हम किसी को मेल लिखते हैं कि भैया इसका ऑपरेशन कराओ तो वहाँ से डायरेक्टली जाता है हमारे अकाउंट में, हमारी फाउंडेशन के अकाउंट में, हमारी किसी प्रधान में. ना तो हम ले सकते हैं और ना कोई भी ले सकता है. सो इट्स ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैव बीन गिवन और ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा.